So today I want to talk about kind of like a pick and choose approach. So here we have the kit, and within the kit we have the drawer, and we also have the segmented control, which is actually called tabs. And what I did today, so this is a very short video, is that I just took the drawer and I took the segmented control and I just dropped it right into my app. So everything that I'm designing here is like sort of customly designed. But when I feel like, okay, I need a tab bar, I'm not gonna like draw a tab bar again. I'm just gonna take it from the kit. So that's what's happening here. And then you also get to the point that you can customize the design a little bit. Like for example, I didn't really touch the tab bar, but I did touch the drawer where I thought that this handle was a bit subtle, so I changed the handle. But otherwise, I left everything alone. So this way, you can basically pick and choose components from the shadcn kit and just keep your flow when designing. So that's it for the video of today.